Hey guys, it's Abby from Koala Bear Club. This is my dog, Puck. That's my mom. My brother's also taking a video. My mom's phone.
Are those our new ones? No. Those are old.
My dad. Puck, you're such a dumb boy.
So rude, Abby.
Hey, I'm trying to take a video here. Guys, this is my brother Noah. Don't be weird.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
No one needs to know that.
You're gonna eat your face.
Papa, eat your face.
It's almost Christmas. 5 more days.
And that.
You can pick the one you want.
Surely, yeah, 5 more days. So Friday. And then on Friday, I'll be vlogging the entire day long.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Hopefully
Yay!
All right.
Oh, joy.
This is it. Okay, bye.